I guess from a project perspective, we've dug the tunnels, we've done a whole lot of testing, we've completed 3 stations, and trial operations is really that final phase of project delivery. Now that we have 3 stations available to us, we're able to commence trial operations. It's not testing, I think, is the way that I would explain it. It's the validation from the testing that we've done. So it's not just about the systems, it's about the people. So we've got over 200 procedure validation exercises to complete, and they can be as basic as how long does it take to open or close a station, and things like do the two-way radios work the whole way around the perimeter of the station, through to there's a fire in a tunnel, how do we make sure that we get everyone out safely? We're now moving into the more complex procedure validation exercises, and that will include mainly Arden and Parkville with trains running through the tunnel. So we have things like if a driver fell ill and couldn't do their job, we have a process to manage that and to make sure that people are safe. So we test that procedure or validate that procedure. So it might seem like some of these exercises are basic and potentially a waste of time, but if these issues happen and we haven't properly tested the procedures that metro trains need to follow, anything that's new and novel could end up causing bigger problems in the long term. Arden coming on early has definitely helped us. It was kind of like our test bed. It allows us to bring in metro trains operational staff, so signallers, customer service staff or passenger experience staff. It's allowed us to understand how much time we need for station staff familiarisation, really just being able to bring people in so that they can see it, feel it, touch it, definitely helps. We're also running what we call reliability growth trips, and that's a staged approach to trains per hour, I guess. So we will start with quite a low number of about 4, and what we're looking for is to basically find issues. We'll start with 4 trains per hour. After a couple of weekends, we'll move up to 6, and then 8, and then 10. We'll get to 15. The aim is to go higher, so we're looking to get up to about 20. We've done all of this dynamic testing over the last 12 months, but they're one-off tests, and every kind of asset needs a bit of time to bed in, and that is what our reliability growth running is really all about. It's making sure that we're picking up on small little bugs and getting them fixed so that once we open, the service is consistent. Similar to a car manufacturer, you're not going to just do an airbag test once. You're going to do that multiple times, because every time you might find something different, or you might brake differently, or something might happen differently. And so it's really important for us to stress the systems and to run the procedures as many times as we can to make sure that everyone knows exactly what they've got to do, and we've had that opportunity before revenue service commences.